Hello dear students, myself Yogesh Gaidani, faculty at Mechanical Engineering Department, KK Engineering College, and welcome to the series of Mechanical Engineering Drawing Lecture. And today we are going to discuss on the topic that is projection of line. This topic we are going to cover, and in that topic we are going to discuss a problem, a very important problem of projection of line. So let's see the problem. So example, line AB, means AB line is given, its length is given, line AB 80 mm long is inclined at, means line is inclined at 30 degree to HP, HP means horizontal plane, and 45 degree to VP, means inclinations are given. Theta is the inclination of line with HP, that is 30 degree, then and it is inclined 45 degree to VP, theta, this is the phi, inclination of line with VP. Then here is the inclination is given, means the line is at a time inclined to both the plane, vertical plane as well as horizontal plane. Then let's see the end condition of the line. Its end A is 15 mm above HP, means end A is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP, means this condition is given, line is above 15 mm and 20 mm in front of VP, and on the basis of this data, we have to draw projection of line, and assuming that the line is in the first quadrant. There are 4 quadrants and we have to assume line is in the first quadrant. So before starting the problem, you should know some basic concepts. That is, theta is equal to that inclination of actual inclination given with reference to HP. Phi is equal to inclination of line with VP. Alpha is equal to apparent inclination. That we apparent inclination of line with HP, then alpha, then beta. Beta is equal to again apparent inclination of line in the VP, that we can see in the VP. Here TL is equal to true length of the line. Then EL is equal to elevated length of the line. Elevated means length of line apparent in the front view, elevated length. Then PL is equal to plan length of the line, then locus of the point. So these are some basic important points we are going to discuss, and that we are going to use in the solving the problem. So let's see, practically I am going to demonstrate you what is exactly condition of line, then we will go to actual solving of the problem on the board. So this is the line AB. Consider this line is line AB. Here this is the HP, this is VP, horizontal plane, vertical plane, and first quadrant, means line is in the first quadrant. This is XY line. Okay, you can clearly see. So assume that initially line is parallel. This line is parallel to VP, it is parallel to HP. But what is given? Consider this end A, this end B. And A is something mm, means this distance, above distance, means this distance is above distance, and you can see in front of distance, we can see in the top view. In front of distance, this is the in front of distance. Okay, so line is, now consider what is given. Line is inclined to HP, means this is what inclination of line with the HP, that we can see in the front view, which is given 30 degree. And at the same time, by keeping this point as a reference, line is inclined to VP. Inclined to VP means, see here, like this, line is inclined to VP, means line is inclined to HP, at a time line is inclined to VP, and in that particular condition we have to draw its front view and top view, means actual projection of the line, so that we can actually going to see. So let's see actual how to draw the procedure. What is the procedure of drawing this problem? So before this we have to draw XY line. So consider it's the XY line. XY line. So here we have to locate point A. Here is the point A of the line, which is, hope you will able to see this. This is A point, which is here we have to draw here in front of, means this is the above distance. Line is end A is 15 mm above. So this is the 15 mm. This distance is 15 mm. 15 mm. This distance is 15 mm. Here I can write like this also, 15 mm above, 15 mm above. This point is there. Again, the projection in the top view. Again, this is also A point, and this distance is 20 mm in front of. In front of distance we can see in the top view, 20 mm in front of. Actually, dimension we can show dimension like this, means, but due to this space problem, I am writing this 15 mm like this, but I am showing like this so that you can clearly see. So this is the condition of point A. 15 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of your VP. So what is given here? Just I am going to draw a faint line, horizontal line. Just draw a horizontal line, faint. Assuming line is parallel to VP as well as HP. Now, what is given? Theta is given. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Here, draw one line at an angle of 30 degree. So I am going to draw a line initially. So this is equal to theta is equal to 30 degree, and what is the length of line? 80. So take distance equal to 80 in the compass, mark here one point. So this is the line AB. Here I am putting B0. 0 means initially we have not got a final point. So B0. Then from this B point, draw a horizontal line. That is what? This is the locus of point. This is what? Locus of point B. Locus of point B. Locus of point B. This is what? Locus of point. Similarly, in the top view, what is given? Phi, inclination of line with the VP, that is 45 degree. So take angle equal to 45 degree here and draw this line. This is equal to phi, that is equal to 45 degree, and again mark distance equal to 80. Here again B0 dash. This distance is equal to 80, and actually this distance is a TL. TL means what? True length of the line, which is 80 mm. This is also TL. TL means what? True length. Here I am putting TL. TL means what? True length of the line. So this is the given condition. But actually, when line is at a time inclined to both the plane, then actual view will be. So how to draw actual views? So take, very simple. Take projection of this B0 in the top view. Here I am taking projection. So this is the projection that I am taking from front view to top view. Here. Then take distance equal to. Here again I am putting B0 or B1. Here we can put a B1. Taking projection, take this distance in compass and mark here one point. So before this, here I have to draw a locus of point B, B0. This is the locus of point. Here, before taking this projection, draw this locus of point B. This is what? Locus of point B in the top view. Okay. So after taking this projection up to this point, take distance equal to this and draw a projection. Draw a chart so that here we get one point. That is the final point. This is now final point B. Now this is the apparent length. Actually line will look like this in the top view. So here is the final view of the line. Okay, now we get the final view of the line. This is what? PL. This length is known as PL, plan length. And this angle, if you take this angle, this is the apparent angle. and this angle is the beta angle that we have to measure. Okay. Similarly, we have to take projection of this point B0 in the top view. So taking projection of B0 in the top view. Okay. So I am taking this projection like this. Come up to here. This is the arrow. Again, take this distance in the compass and mark an arc which will cut this locus. So here we get final B point. Means this is the final view of the line. Here is the TL. This is the final view of the line. This is what EL, elevated length. This is what elevated length. And if you measure this angle will be a beta angle. Okay. So here, this is the projection of line. This is actual projection of the line. Means when line is at a time inclined to HP as well as VP, it can look like this. This is the actual view in the front view, known as elevated length, that we can measure with the help of scale, and we can put over here. And here is the actual PL. PL is what? Plan length, which is in the top view. Here we can measure it. So here we can identify with the help of this. Now students, you have to do this. Find out apparent angle. That is, this angle is beta alpha angle. Actual angle alpha, actual angle beta, apparent. Actually, this is the apparent angle beta. This angle with reference to front view means with reference to HP. This angle is with reference to VP. This is in the top view. Again, we have to find out EL, elevated length, and PL, plan length. This we have to find out. This, after drawing this, you can find out all this. You can put this answer in the chat box. Hope you understand this concept. This is little bit critical condition, critical problem, but you can easily draw like this. So this is what a final problem solution of the line, when line is at a time inclined to HP and VP. Hope you understand this lecture, this concept. So try to solve this problem so that you will get clear idea of this problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.